Hello guys, welcome to another video. Hope you like it, enjoy, and feel free to subscribe. In this video we are gonna mount a step tire on this G-Wagon. So paint the cover black and polish it up and fix some small things. Okay, first thing we want to do is clean up a little bit so everything is clean when we're working. Just be carefully, no weight on the, just a little bit easy to work, so we don't get any scratches. Now the screws are out. We're gonna get the bracket and see what this is like. So I find some rubber here. It's a little thick, but it will go. So I think this will be perfect. If I lay that here, it will not scratch, metal to metal not scratch, so you don't get that rust. So we try to fit this now.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Now you see the rubber is taking the weight there, and not metal to metal. A little tight, little by little here. Let's see. You can see the rubber. We will take this bracket off later and pulver paint it black. Okay, so now the bracket is on. You can see the rubber is here, so no scratching here. Maybe try to take on the wheels now. Tire. So it's fitting well. Bracket is right, tire is right. This you take small layers in 3-4 rounds. Then you can, when it paint is drying, you can just brush it off, or you take your pressure washer and just take it off if you don't want it. And this is G-Wagon, so it's expensive stuff. So if I wanted chrom back, I just take it away again. Looks not so good now, but just wait till it dry. It will be very good. So now we have taken 2 layers of rubber paint, matte black on this. So it looks okay now. Not right now, but it looks like we have enough of it. So we just this heater to get it dry a little faster and good, so it sticks, the layer sticks good to each other. So if we wanted to have it off later, we can just peel it off with our hands or pressure washer or something. It dries like one piece now. Not heat too much, but get a little heat so it sticks good there. Some old glue or something here. Something weird. Trying with some 3M industrial cleaner. Need to be 100% clean before we polish it, or we get scrapes, small scrapes. You can see now it's much better. So we get some polish on it there. So now we're trying to polish it. Okay. That's better. Here is the cover. Just see. What it's like. Looks pretty decent to me. So now it's on. I think it looks pretty decent. I like the G-Wagon without the wheel in the back, but it looks okay. So here is polish, clean and nice, and here is matte. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video.